And we're underway with the second attempt. And he's going to try to calm down and just think that he's in his den somewhere and back at home or in his apartment room or dorm room, just relaxed. Just trying to focus on nothing else but looking at the cube that he's solving. He's got one solved now. Working on number 2. Again, the record is 5. Kevin hopes to get at least 6, and he's got 9 cubes in the water, so and if he can remain composed, that's number 2. If he had a good deep breath underwater, he might be able to get close to 9 today. He did 5 or 6 in practice in the few minutes that led up to our 4 o'clock start. There's 3. So 2 more will match the record. And like great athletes, sometimes you have to take a couple of practice swings, and Kevin had his practice swing in which he solved 4, and now he's got 4 that he has solved now, and looks to at least match the record here. And I think he should be able to do it. I don't see any distress. Looks like he's just razor sharp focused on getting this 5th cube solved. Again, Kevin doesn't look like he's duress. He's spinning the cube around quickly, trying to solve it. Maybe running out of breath as we are watching him solve it.
You got it, you got it.
He's going for more. He's got 6 solved. He's going to go and try to maybe get all 9 solved with 1 breath.
Get one more.
He's got 2 more if he can get to 9, that'd be awesome. He's got 7 solved there.